Can your skin return to the original perfect skin that you had before if you get dermatological treatment for acne scars? Hey guys, welcome back to Wishtrend TV. It's your sister Eunice here, and we are here with part 4 of our acne series. Today, I'm going to be introducing you to a special guest that we met last week, Dr. Lee. So let's go meet her again.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Lee from Grace Clinic. Nice to meet you again.
Yes, so glad to have you again. Thank you so much for your time. All right, so we have a lot of questions to ask you, so let's go. Let's get started. So one of the biggest skin concerns that a lot of our Wishtrenders and that we all have is acne scars. So my very first question is, can your skin return to the original perfect skin that you had before if you get dermatological treatment for acne scars?
Okay, many patients ask the same question. They want to get their skin back to
its original
perfect
state.
Yes, like baby skin. Treating acne takes a lot of time and a lot of effort. You need to get multiple treatments because it's not easy to change your skin at once. It's different from plastic surgery. Like if you get plastic surgery, you can change the shape of your eye at once. But for your skin, it's not easy to like face off and put a new skin on.
Right. So I think everyone will be curious about this too. In Korea, what is like the average pricing for acne scar treatments?
The price can range from $200 to up to $1,000.
Right,
It depends on the severity of your scar and what kind of treatment we go.
Right.
So.
And when you are getting these treatments though, it's not just that one treatment. You do stuff for you in the afterwards and before, right?
Yes. You go under a full care.
Right.
Yes.
So,
from extraction, from cleansing.
Right.
To extraction and other 기계 관리 같은 것도 하고, and then the
treatment as well.
Treatment, and then after the mask.
Right.
Yes.
Then we want to ask you, which treatments are effective for acne scars?
Treatments depend on the severity of the scars and the size or the extent of the scar. But the most universally used laser is the Fraxel laser. The Fraxel laser, it goes over your skin and it produces micro holes that are not visible. And when your skin is damaged, your skin tends to regenerate by itself. And the Fraxel laser, it induces the regeneration of your skin. So the most widely used laser treatment is Fraxel.
Right, I think we've heard of that one.
Yes, there are many types of Fraxel lasers and the names can be all different, but the mechanism of the treatment process is the same.
Right.
So it produces micro holes and then your skin regenerates by itself.
Right. So I wanted to ask you, how do those treatments work for dented scars, red marks, and keloid scars? But first, maybe dented scars.
The dented scars are the most difficult scars to treat because once your skin gets dented, it's not easy to regenerate your skin.
Right.
And so for the dented scars, we usually do the laser, as I just said, the Fraxel laser, and maybe microneedling is needed.
Right.
And maybe some products like Regerant scars, those are needed to treat the dented scars.
Right. What about red marks? Because I'm sure I have a lot of those too.
When people get pimples, the pimples tend to be red.
Right.
And if you wait for a few days, the red marks will turn in a little bit brown. And if you wait longer, those brown marks fade away by itself.
Right.
So usually you can just wait and the red marks will fade away by itself.
What about keloid scars?
The keloid scars can be improved by multiple injections of triamcinolone. It's a steroid injection and it helps flatten the keloids.
Right. What are the things that we need to be cautious about after our acne scar treatment?
after scar treatments, we usually give you some directions to follow. So it's really important to follow what we tell you. For example, like we tell you not to wash your face for a couple of days,
Right.
or we give you a specific cream to apply after the treatment, and then you have to follow the directions that we give you.
Right. I think that's really true because after usually treatments for acne scars, I think a lot of people give up after one treatment or things like that because they want to see the effects right after. So yeah, it's really true that we need to kind of be patient and follow all the directions that the doctors do give us.
Yes.
Yeah.
To treat the acne scars, it takes several sessions of treatments, and it might take a couple of months.
Right.
So it's really important to follow the schedule, because some patients, they give up.
Right.
Then 중간에 그만두면 시작하는 일만 못해요. 그러니까 끝까지 you have to. It might be hard, but you have to
Endure.
Yes.
Stick it out.
Yes.
Thank you, Dr. Lee, so much for your time once again. I had so much fun. Did you have fun today?
Oh yes, I had so much fun also.
Thank you so much
You're
for your
welcome.
time. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye. Round 2, at-home treatments for acne scars. Alright, so before we begin, we're going to be talking about things that you should definitely avoid. First thing you should avoid is skincare products with alcohol because it can irritate your skin and burn your skin. Secondly, we want to recommend that you stay away from exfoliators that are too harsh for you. And third, make sure that you avoid products that are too oily. Alright, for those of you that are in this kind of iffy situation where your skin is trying to regenerate, but at the same time the dead skin cells are building up. So for these cases, we don't want to recommend that you use an exfoliator, but use a watery type of toner and cotton pad to calm and to remove dead skin cells gently. Plus, when you have breakouts, cream type of products can feel like it's too heavy for you. So what we want to recommend is use a hydrating serum and do multiple layers. And if your skin is not too irritated, we want to recommend that you use products to help to fade away your acne scars. If you wait until your scar is completely healed and then you start using it, it might be a little bit too late, so let's start a little bit earlier. So this is the recommended routine for you. After cleansing, make sure to use a watery toner to wipe away any remaining impurities or sebum on your skin. Number 2, then add a product that is very hydrating and soothing for your skin. And afterwards, we do want to recommend that you add another product with vitamins that can help to treat your acne scars. And if you do want to add a cream to this step, that is fine, but just make sure that you use something with vitamin E. When you use vitamin C and vitamin E together, it really boosts the synergy effect. And if you want to know exactly how it boosts the effect, check it out right here. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in until the very end, and this completes our week 4 series for acne treatments. We really hope that this series was helpful for you guys, and if it was, please leave it in the comments below. We will add all the links in the description below, so please check it out, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!